Today, I'm going to give a brief overview explaining how Wiser Help emails aid our team in providing quick and knowledgeable responses to frequently asked or specific questions we receive. A streamlined Helpdesk email system consolidates all incoming requests into a shared inbox accessible to designated team members across all departments. With support from our IT team, we are able to create an automated workflow so that every message sent to Wiser Help is automatically uploaded into a trackable Excel sheet. This added layer of organization enables the team to stay accountable, prioritize effectively, and respond with clarity and confidence. When you reach out to our Wiser Help email, our administrative team will evaluate the steps needed to answer as best we can. Emails regarding things such as courses, password resets, and tours of our facility can be easily taken care of by our administrative staff. Some additional benefits of the Helpdesk email are: frequently asked questions and common issues can be stored and reused, reducing repetitive work for the administrative team. Consistency in communication. Templates and standardized replies ensure that information shared with users is clear, accurate, and professional. Scalability. As an organization grows, a helpdesk system can handle increasing volumes and requests. The administrative team understands how important it is to respond quickly and professionally to every inquiry. The helpdesk email system plays a big part in creating a positive, supportive experience for our participants, instructors, and our colleagues. Please feel free to reach out anytime for assistance or guidance at wiserhelp@upmc.edu. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about how Wiser supports simulation.